Think you need thousands of dollars for a home gym? Wrong. I'm going to show you how to create a powerful setup on a budget that actually works. Before we get started, I want to ask you to join the Brotherhood. Hit that subscribe button and let's build stronger men together. Now let's dive in. You don't need fancy machines to get a great workout. Focus on versatile, budget-friendly equipment that provides a full-body workout. Here's what you need. Adjustable dumbbells are a must-have for any home gym. They're incredibly versatile, allowing you to perform a wide range of exercises. Start with a set that allows for incremental weight adjustments. Challenge yourself as you get stronger. Resistance bands are another affordable and effective option. They're lightweight, portable, and offer varying levels of resistance. Use them for strength training, stretching, and rehabilitation exercises. They're great for adding variety to your workouts. A pull-up bar is a fantastic investment for building upper body strength. Install it in a doorway or purchase a freestanding option. Pull-ups, chin-ups, and hanging leg raises are just a few exercises you can do with a pull-up bar. Don't have a lot of space? No problem. We can optimize your home gym to fit even the smallest areas. A little creativity goes a long way. Choose equipment that can be easily stored away, like resistance bands and adjustable dumbbells. Utilize vertical space by installing shelves or wall mounts to store equipment. This keeps your floor area clear for workouts. Mirrors can make a small space feel much larger. They also allow you to check your form during exercises. Consider using a large mirror on one wall to visually expand your workout area. It's a simple but effective trick. Another space-saving tip is to use multi-purpose furniture. A sturdy coffee table can double as a weight bench. Foldable exercise mats can be easily stored when not in use. Think outside the box and repurpose items for your home gym. Get creative and save money with DIY projects for your home gym. It's a fun and rewarding way to personalize your workout space. Here are some ideas. Build your own weight plates using concrete. It's a cost-effective way to add weight to your dumbbells or barbells. You'll find plenty of tutorials online. It's a great weekend project. Create a plyo box using plywood and basic carpentry skills. Plyo boxes are great for jump training and other explosive exercises. You can customize the height to match your fitness level. Use old tires as weights or for agility drills. Tires are readily available and incredibly durable. They add a unique challenge to your workouts. Get creative and incorporate them into your routine. Make your home gym inviting and motivating. A few small touches can make a big difference. Let's transform your workout space. Choose a dedicated area with good ventilation and lighting. Natural light is ideal, but ensure adequate lighting for evening workouts. A well-lit space is more inviting and energizing. Add a motivational element to your home gym. This could be a whiteboard to track your progress, inspiring quotes on the walls, or a music system to pump you up. Personalize your space to stay motivated. Keep your home gym clean and organized. A clutter-free space is more inviting and promotes focus. Put equipment away after each workout and wipe down surfaces regularly. A clean gym is a happy gym. Building a home gym is an investment in your health and well-being. It's more affordable than you think, and the benefits are endless. Let's recap why you should start building today. A home gym provides ultimate convenience and flexibility. Work out on your own schedule without the hassle of gym memberships or commuting. It saves time and money in the long run. Create a personalized workout space that motivates and inspires you. Customize your equipment, decor, and atmosphere to match your fitness goals and preferences. It's your own private fitness sanctuary. Start small, focus on essential equipment, and gradually expand your home gym over time. You don't need to do it all at once. Every step you take brings you closer to your dream home gym. Take action today and begin your journey to a healthier, fitter you. If you're serious about building strength and reclaiming masculinity, click one of the videos now appearing on your screen and keep leveling up.